Hey everyone, let's talk about aging. We all want to age gracefully, right? Feeling vibrant, energetic, and healthy well into our later years. But here's the thing, constant stress can really put a damper on those plans. It's like a speed bump on the road to healthy aging. Now I am sure you have heard it before, stress is bad for you. But did you know that chronic stress can actually accelerate the aging process? It's true. It can mess with your sleep, your energy levels, even your immune system. The good news is, there are natural ways to combat stress and promote a sense of calm. We are going to dive into some powerful supplements that can help your body relax and adapt to stress. And the best part, these supplements work in harmony with your body, not against it. Let's kick things off with Ashwagandha, an ancient herb that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. You see, Ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen. Now, adaptogens are pretty cool. They basically help your body adapt to stress more effectively. Think of it like this. Ashwagandha gives your body a little extra support to handle whatever life throws your way. And how does it do that? Well, studies have shown that ashwagandha can actually help lower levels of cortisol, which is your body's main stress hormone. Too much cortisol and you're looking at anxiety, fatigue, even weight gain. But ashwagandha can help bring those levels back into balance. Not only that, but ashwagandha has also been linked to improved sleep quality. And we all know that a good night's sleep is crucial for managing stress and feeling our best. So if you're looking for a natural way to combat stress and support your overall well-being, ashwagandha is definitely worth considering. Next up, let's talk about L-Theanine. Now, you might not be as familiar with this one, but trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to relaxation and focus. L-Theanine is an amino acid found naturally in green tea, and one of its superpowers is its ability to promote relaxation without making you drowsy. You know that feeling when you have had one too many cups of coffee, jittery, anxious, can't sit still. L-Theanine can help counteract those unwanted effects. It works by increasing alpha brain waves, which are associated with a state of calm alertness. It's like hitting the chill button in your brain without completely shutting down. This makes L-Theanine a great option for those who want to manage stress and improve focus throughout the day without feeling sluggish. And here's a bonus tip. L-Theanine works synergistically with caffeine. That means they work even better together than they do alone. So if you're a coffee drinker, consider adding a little L-Theanine to your morning cup for a calmer, more focused start to your day. Now let's talk about a mineral that's often overlooked but plays a crucial role in stress management. Magnesium. Magnesium is like the chill pill your nervous system needs. It helps to calm things down, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of relaxation. You see, magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in the body, including muscle function, nerve function, and even blood sugar control. When your magnesium levels are low, your body can go into overdrive, leading to muscle tension, anxiety, and difficulty sleeping. And unfortunately, many people are not getting enough magnesium from their diet alone. That's where supplementation comes in. Taking a magnesium supplement can help replenish your body's stores and support a healthy nervous system. And there are different forms of magnesium, each with its own unique benefits. Magnesium glycinate, for example, is known for its calming effects and is often recommended for improving sleep. So if you are feeling stressed, anxious, or just plain run down, don't underestimate the power of magnesium. Now, while supplements can be incredibly helpful, it's important to remember that they're just one piece of the puzzle. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine is equally important for managing stress and promoting a sense of calm. And the best part is these techniques are free, easy to do, and can be done just about anywhere. Let's start with mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment without judgment. When you're feeling stressed, take a few minutes to simply notice your breath, your thoughts, and your surroundings. Another powerful technique is deep breathing. Deep breathing helps to slow down your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and calm your nervous system. Try inhaling slowly through your nose, holding the breath for a few seconds, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth. And don't underestimate the power of movement. Exercise, even just a short walk, can do wonders for stress relief. The key is to find what works best for you and make it a regular part of your routine. So there you have it, some powerful natural approaches to managing stress and supporting your journey to peaceful aging. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health. By incorporating these supplements and techniques into your life, you can empower yourself to live a calmer, more fulfilling life, no matter what challenges come your way.